I'm a microbiology specialist in the quality control department in BGB. I graduated from the Faculty of Biotechnology, Misri University for Science and Technology.
I'm a quality control specialist in the chemical and physical department. I have worked on in the chemical and physical section for testing raw materials, packaging material, and stability testing for a specific product.
My passion to science started at a young age when I want to know what something like headache medicine worked.
I think in the past it wasn't a lot of women joining this career, but now it's very different in Egypt.
I've always been interested in biopharmaceutical manufacturing, and BGP has given me this opportunity to learn more about this process and manufacturing, how it starts and how it ends.
I joined BGP, and after knowing that BGB is receiving the mRNA technology, it was an honor for me to know this technology transfer is going to be in Egypt and Africa.
I joined BioGeneric Pharma as a fresh graduate, so I had very little experience. I've learned so much since I joined.
What I most like about my job is that I ensure the compliance with regulatory standards by conducting audits.
I always make sure of that my work is always complying with international regulations and the internal quality protocols in order to make sure that my work is always complying with the GMP, good manufacturing practice, to deliver a safe and effective drug.
mRNA technology means a lot to me, to working on the technology transfer, because it's new entering the vaccine manufacturing to Egypt. So I'm very interested to be a part of this technology. It provides me, in the future, it's going to be a leadership in the industry, and I think it's going to be one of the most important companies in Egypt.
We always try to help each other as much as we can. If someone is facing a problem, maybe we can discuss it together, and if we didn't know how, we can always refer to our section head. He's always helpful, and that's what makes the team a strong team.
So it's very important to me to be a part of this team, because research is very important for Egypt to make new vaccines, enhancing the health and safety in Egypt, which needs enhancing in the lower middle income countries.